Hey, it's Crusoe, the carrot. How you doing? Life's a breeze, isn't it? We're ticking along nicely. It's going to be a bit of a jam up against this wall, but hey, I'll sort it out. You just start it. I'll probably be doing. Well, my cut is 3/4 of a tile, so I'll bring a tile and the cut back and we'll be laughing. And then I go down this hall into the laundry and this hallway. Ooh, we're pumping it. It's a bloody nice tile, eh? Look at that. Okay, people. Later. If you tap it into place, DIYs, once you've crimped up your wedges, it will then stay in it'll stay in place. Won't move. That's when you do your adjustment. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Bloody beautiful. Time to mix up some more glue. We'll slap this sucker down first. Another thing that I'm doing with this tile as well, DIY, is I'm going close to the corner as I can. So it gets that corner right. If you're out here, it could bend slightly. And down we go with another. Notice how I always go across my line. See that the lines are going that way, and on my back butter I'm going the opposite way. Bend your legs, keep your back straight, slap. And you tap it into position. and when you've clipped it, it stays. Sometimes you give it a kick with size 9 or 10 or 11, whatever you've got. You just give it a bit of a nudge. And you're laughing.